All right, hey there friends. I want to do a quick unboxing and first look at the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug. Basically, this is enabled with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant and allows you to control the power with your outlet basically anywhere, or with these enabled devices, so you can control it via voice. Pretty stinking cool. Already I've got a single one set up, which is why it's missing a guy here. And comes in a 2-pack, and what I'll do is I'll put some links in the description box below so you can purchase that on Amazon if you'd like. And yeah, basically what comes in is this packaging. You basically just rip off the two sides. You can gain access to the smart plugs. Smart plugs are nice, so they're stackable. Basically, you can put them in an outlet, and the two will fit on a single normal outlet. So you can have these stackable. It has a really nice physical power button that you can turn on and off. Comes with these, you can see these little protective sleeves on both the front and the back. These each have their own Wi-Fi enabled access port, and a little light indicator above the power button that will blink and give you various indications that you can kind of look at and assess just from a first look. We also have a really quick setup guide and instruction manual. If you're not going to be connecting to Alexa, this thing is actually really good. It sets up in roughly 3 to 5 minutes. Kind of a really simple, easy instructions. I actually made a video of setting this thing up for the first time. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to set that up as a physical item that you can control with your phone and with Alexa. I did that in the exact same video. Yeah, so instruction booklet, some warranty information as well in there. Basically, that's all that comes in the 2-pack here. So let's go over to the outlet, and I'm going to show you what this looks like set up. Okay, here is our outlet. Basically, I have the Wemo plugged in on the bottom there. And basically, it's up in the upside down configuration because the person who installed this specific outlet actually installed them upside down. So normally that power button is going to be on this side. Now, what I've done is I have 2 power strips. You can see I've got the power strip that's over here that controls my Xbox and my TV. And I've got this power strip that I set up in the test configuration that's plugged in to the Wemo. And you can see there's 2 plugs in here. We have one for this light that is up here above the TV. And then this other cord wraps around here in front of the fireplace and controls this lamp right here. And again, what I wanted to be able to do was command Alexa from our upstairs room and have her turn on both the lights. So as you can see, it's a pretty small profile, really nice functionality. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and go upstairs and have Alexa turn on these lights, and you can see exactly what it looks like. Alexa, turn on the downstairs power. Okay, so there you go. That's the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug review, kind of unboxing and first look. So far, I'm really satisfied. The setup process was a little lengthy, a little complicated if you're connecting to Alexa, but it's not bad. Again, check out the description box below. We'll have links where you can purchase this, as well as the other tutorial videos that I made. All right, folks, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're going to do a lot more of these type of tutorials coming up soon.